Sidebar! Yeah, Brian finds Mr. Wong Bamagan! January Jr. but Maki Acosta will take that 3.
Nasa namin sila, lalaki pare. Surprise!
Johnson!
It's on 3. 1, 2, 3, 8.
Good morning.
Morning, Master.
Morning.
What's up, bro?
See me, I switched a little.
Game 2. Hey.
Haircut.
Oh, shit.
He don't even notice. Look at it.
Yeah. Relax Kuya Maki. Magpapaulan ulit to. What's up, bad word?
Lighter.
Tawa, G.
Aking pito ata. Lamig ah.
Ay, ko.
Yes, Master. What's up? Day 2 tayo ngayon. Dito tayo ulit sa venue, Master. Second game natin. On second game of the day 2. Ngayon, nanonood tayo ng laro ng Macau and Guangzhou Lions. We're preparing against Thailand Titans. So against Thailand Titans, wala tayong konting background sa kanila kasi they're new teams. So ganun na lang. We focus on our crafts, our offense and defense. Thank you, Master.
Thailand. Pero first time natin makakalaban natin dito.
Sa scouting nyo, anong...
Sa nakita kong laro nila kahapon, kaya natin yun.
Kalaban natin yung last, no?
Yung last leg pa,
Last leg. Sakto lang. Hindi sila yung talagang inaantay natin na nakakalaban talaga natin ng malakas. Feeling ko ang pinakamalakas na makakalaban natin na Banta. Marami silang import ngayon, nag-prepare nata. So.
Ano ba yung bata nung...
Banta, Hong Kong? At Hong Kong.
Ay, yung Dragons.
Oo. Nag-prepare sila ng 9 na imports ngayon eh. Mukhang malakasan yung lineup nila. Unlike itong ibang mga team ngayon, sakto lang, mga bata kasi yung iba eh.
ano, brother?
Any info sa kalaban natin today?
Wala eh. Pero syempre dapat guard. Malakas daw. Malakas. Dog. Ready lang kami lahat. For the win.
Meron ba kayong na-scout na nababantayan?
Wala eh. Hindi ko alala eh. Bagod din.
Mamaya pa lang tayo.
We're playing against Thailand Titans. So it's a new team. We just need to box them out and keep on running. So I think yun yung magiging focal point for this game for us to win. So we need to box out and keep on running. Kasi
May particular player ba kayo na na-scout sa kanila na dapat bantayan?
actually wala kasi we're not familiar because they're a new team. So yun lang, we just need to box them out and keep on running. Amirias.
Bigyan ako ni Coach Marcy, thank you Coach Marcy, thank you.
I see, I get shot.
Sing!
Now I get shot. I can't do that with the camera. I be on my Wi-Fi.
Parents and the Holy Spirit. Lord, thank you for this day, Lord. Thank you for the opportunity to play, Lord, with our team, Lord. Bless our team and take away us from injuries, Lord, and bless our game, Lord, and help us to get this win. Amen.
Amen.
Father,
That other team, they have two new imports, two big guys.
but I think we can new imports. But I think we can match them. So let's run just the first play. Let's just run the first one series. This is special, special. Just the first play. I want it to bro. Arong. Dito. Arong, Oscar. Find one side, two-man game. Tapos we choose one. Okay, just the first play. On horse down, the back pick. He said 4 and 5. Tell you the first pass. So, example, it's Jackson. This guy goes up. Two-man game. Space. Okay? Because they kinda scouted our... Come back up. High. So, the focus on 3. 1, 2, 3! Yes!
Coach Denzel Wong, dahil injured siya rito, he cannot play. Pero next leg na lang siya maglalaro next month. So ngayon, siya pa rin naman ang isa sa mga utak dito sa Team Pilipinas, Team Aces. Grabe, nag-warm up na si Monbert Arong, Tora. Hey! Kapos. Here we go. It's the second game of the tournament para sa Team Aces. And it's Thailand na makakakuha ng unang possession dito. Number 3 falls around but the big guy recovers it. Yes, for 2. Kuya Brian Heruela nagdadala rito ng bola. They give it to Manigault. And then to Arong, Tora. Arong crosses, pushes inside, and 1 for Arong. Arong will take his first free throws here. He got it. Someone shouted, "That's my man." Who's that? Ang kanyang boyfriend. Thailand again with the ball. Number 3 gives it to the big man. Number 12 fakes, takes a 3-point. It's good for number 12. What a great shot by number 12. Pero eto na naman, Arong with a putback by January Jr. Gives it back to number 4 again. Number 1 will take the 3-pointer, no good. And number 5 again with a shot. It's good. Number 10, Corey atake sa gitna, lays it up. It's good. Yes. Arong passes it. Oh, he was fouled there very hard. No easy basket here, but it's all good. It's all sportsmanship. But that's going to become an unsportsmanlike foul. 2 free throws plus 1 ball possession here. Corey with a second shot. Yes. So it's another ball possession para sa Aces. Oscar will attack. Oscar pushes inside, no good. Rebound yan, January Jr. Susubok ulit. Wala pa rin, pero Corey, the big guy with the easy 2 there. Thailand again here, pushing the ball. Number 12 doing cross. Number 12 gives it to number 1, open for the wing back. 3 points for Jones. And Corey, no good. Rebound yan by Oscar. Oscar atake inside. And what a great tip in there by Corey. Number 3 takes a 3, no good. And who's gonna recover it? Corey with a long pass to Oscar, will dunk it! Oscar, dinakdak yun. 15-13 ang ating score. na agawan siya ron. Arong, great hustle there. And that's gonna be a turnover. Good defense by Arong. Kuya Brian gives it back to Oscar. Kuya Brian again directing the play here. They find Oscar. They give it back to Corey. What a great play there. Ang ganda ng pasahan doon. Anong gagawin? Number 12 crosses. Hindi niya maiiwanan. Si Alfred doon. Alfred naagaw ang bola. Kuya Brian again directing the play. Aces pushing the ball inside. Kuya Maki will take a 3. Bang! Damapua, sharpshooter. Pero open na naman. Sasagot ng 3, hindi. Eto na. Jackson! No good, sayang. Jax for the second one. He gets it to go. Gayosa, bantay sarado si number 2. Gayosa, check ka dyan. Pero open na naman yung side doon. Corey, oh! He got the foul there and 4-point play para kay number 1. Team Aces, Pilipinas. We'll get a timeout here. Lamang na ang kalaban. Napa-timeout doon si Coach Denzel. Napapalaban dito si Kuya Brian. Kuya Brian gives it to the big man inside. And he gets a foul there. Kamukha ni Andre Blatch to si Corey ha. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Hawig pala sila ni Andre Blatch, ang dating import ng Gilas. Coach Marcy directing his players on what to do here. Maki finds Kuya Brian, the point guard. They give it again inside to Corey. Libre na naman, Kuya Maki will take a 3, no good. And Thailand, here they come again. Number 2 take a 3, bang! All 23 pala tayo mga master. Corey handling the ball here. Gayosa gives it back to Corey. Corey shake and bake. Yes, for 2 for Corey. Number 2 again. Dribbling here. Gayosa! Huli ka ron. Agaw yan sa'yo. Gayosa binitbitan! And it's gonna be 2 free throws for Gayosa. Gayosa should make this 2 free throws. First cut. Second shot for Alfred. No good. Rebound niya ng Aces. Gayosa. Oh! Iwan. Jax. Oh, there's no foul there. Eto na. Number 5. Number 5. Atakin si Kuya Brian. Si Kuya Brian will push it. Eto, nagmamadali ang Aces. Jax couldn't handle that one. Oh! Eto na naman ang Thailand. Number 5, titira ng 3. Bang! Grabe yun, stretch 5. Kuya Bray. Andon si Cope to clean that up. Aces. Oh! And 1 play. Number 10. Corey. Corey will do an iso move. Crosses. And lays it in. What a sweet, sweet move there by Corey. And it's an almost steal. Digit lang ang laban. All 30 ang ating score. All 30 ang ating score. And it's 15 points lahat lang dito. Galing kay Manigot. Ito na naman. Libreng-libre na naman ang Thailand. And they lost the ball there. Eto na, atake. Oscar fakes. Lefty, no good. Pero Jackson, oh, he's 2 down under there. Jax, nagdadala ulit ng bola. Gayosa gives it to Jax. With a dunk! Number 8 swings it to the big man. Stretch 5. Bang! Kanina pa yon. They need to stop that. 3 points. January Jr. January Jr. will take a 3. Bang! Binawi yun ni January Jr. Pero number 2 will floor it up. No good. Binato. Eto na, Oscar. Jackson, bang! Jackson go with that Liberty dunk. And Thailand will have to do a timeout here. Woo! Jackson Cobb with that exclamation point. It's 37-33. Ito na, Thailand. Pushing the ball. Gets it to go. Thailand will attack inside. Wow! Nilayapan niya si Oscar doon, harap-harapan. Swings it up to Gayosa for the 3, no good. Who will recover it? What a great find by Coach Marcy. And it's gonna be a foul inside. The Titans number 8, ang ganda naman nun. Pero rebound niya ni Coach Marcy. Coach Marcy pushes it to Jax. Oh! It's gonna be same ball. Ito na. Ang ganda ng depensa ni Arong and it's gonna be called the reaching foul there. Ng Titans. Oscar gives it to Jax! Slama Jama para kay Jackson Cobb. Number 3 again. Naagaw yan. Good defense by the Aces. Oscar umiikot. Nililigaw ang kanyang kalaban. Takes a jumper there. Oscar. Ulit, eto na ang kumakamada sa kanila. Number 3 will take a long 3. Will get it to go. Grabe, shooter no, number 3 na yun. So may tinawag ron. Technical foul para sa Team Titans. Pero natawagan ng ANSPO. Ito si Arong. Ang ganda. They swing in the ball. Oscar takes a 3. No, kuha yan ni Arong. Inagawan sa ere. Swinging the ball again to Oscar. Oscar will attack inside. Swings it back to Kuya Brian. No good. Kuha pa rin yun ni Arong. Grabe naman yung Arong na yun. Number 8 again. Titans. Number 3 will take a long 3. No good. Rebound by number 7 inside. And kinain niya si Oscar doon. Kuya Brian defending. This guy denying. Number 3, looking for someone to pass to number 3. Wala. Rebound niya ni Kuya Maki. Gives it to Arong. Arong lumipad. No good. Ito na. Oh. What a great pass there. Back for number 3. They are killing them beyond the arc. Arong asking for a screen. Arong gives it back to Kuya Brian. Corey fakes. Gives it back to Arong. Will take a 3. No. Number 3. Iniikot. Ikot ang kalaban dito. Number 7 takes a 3. Grabe. Everything is falling beyond the arc. Dito ay inangasan pa ni number 1 yung bench to ng Aces. Swings it to the side, gives it to the big man, Corey. Ang ganda ng play na yon. Mukhang napag-aralan na. Number 1 takes a 3, no good. Pero kuha niya pa rin yun. Grabe tong number 1 na to. Nag-flex pa ron, tinulak siya ni Kuya Maki. To Jax with a easy 2. Ganun lang, napakasimple. Yari itong number 1 na to kay Arong. Uy, iwan dun lahat. Easy basket for number 8. Ang galing nun. 51-56. 5 kalamangan pero kakaltasan niya ni Corey. 2 na lang ulit ang kalamangan. Here we go, number 10, Manigault. Corey finds Kuya Brian. Kuya Brian, sasayawan. Kuya Brian is being defended here. Kuya Brian, di mo maagawan yan. Oh! Binitbitan ni Kuya Brian sa mukha ang kanyang kalaban. Pero eto na naman yung stretch 5 nila. Aray ko! Grabe yun si number 5. And we're back to the ball game. 3 puntos sinahabol dito ng Aces. Huli ka ron. Eto, nakapagplanuhan na ng Aces. Paano gagawin dito? And Jackson with that slam dunk. Number 12 again ang Thailand. Titira ng 3. Bang! Titira ng 3. Oh, Corey with that 3 points. Binawian niya. Number 11, number 12, binigay kay number 7. Ito na, yung malaki kanina. Ang ganda naman nun. Ang ganda nung bigayan nila at cut sa ilalim. Corey again. Gives it up to the corner to Jackson. Jax! Oh, and one para kay Jackson. Number 12, dancing. Grabe naman yun! Sinayawan. Ang galing ng batang yun. Jackson, they give it up to January Jr. with that 3. Woo! Lamang na ngayon ang Aces ng 2 points. Titira ng 3. Naubusan na ng 3 si number 4. Oscar Lopez andito, pupush sa ilalim. Oscar! No good. Rebound niya pa rin. Grabe, el loco. Oscar Lopez, tinignan pa yung bench doon. Ito na naman yung number 12, binigay sa loob. Walang tawag doon, dapat sa traveling call. Oscar Lopez, atake. And he will get a free throw here. Eto na, Corey, no good. Agagawan sila, ang hirap pumasok doon. What a great effort there by the Aces. Rebound niya ni Oscar, gonna give it to Jax. Great pass underneath. They're trapped underneath, no fouls. Eto na naman ang Thailand, number 8, nagdadala ng bola. They give it up. Oh no. Naagaw yan ng Aces. Kuya Brian kay Oscar. Babakbak sa loob. Andon si Corey para tulungan siya. They swing it to number 7 and that's a travel call. Buti tinawagan mo na rin, ref. Kanina pa yon. Back to Kuya Brian. Corey with that fake. Gets it to go. And they're gonna go inside to the big man. Yung stretch 5 kanina. Oh! Wouldn't get it. 75-70. Balik sa 5. Kalamangan ng Aces. Jelly pass but they couldn't convert it. Good defense there by Corey. Angat lang ang kamay. Oh, titira. Oh! Tumira ng 3. May tira rin pala yun. Si number 7. Oscar. Finding someone. Iikot. Kuya Brian. Binigay kay Jax. Back to Oscar. Ang ganda ng bigayan nila ron sa ilalim. Number 1 for the 3. Pakak ang tira niya ron. Nakarma si number 1 sa pang-aasar niya kanina. Kuya Bray, they give it to January Jr. Oscar, kakain sa loob pero agaw yan ay Junior. Oh, number 1, dancing, naagawan na naman siya ron. Huli ka ron, boy. Corey, oh! Pinasa mo ba? Number 3. They gonna go to that number 12. Wala. Oh! How did that become a foul? Number 3. Number 1. Ang magdadala rito, number 1, di diskarte is being defended there. And eto na, number 3. That's gonna be a traveling violation. Good call, ref. Nabasa na ni Oscar, paano didepensahan yun? Ito na naman, Oscar, what a nice give and go by the Aces. Ito na, si number 1. Huli ka ro kay Oscar. Oh. Ito na. Nagkakainitan. Natatawa lang si Oscar dito. Nag-aasaran sila. Upo ka daw muna. Nagalit. Nahahype na rito si El Loco, Oscar Lopez.
Fifth personal foul out.
Foul out na. Si number
Substitution
1.
from Thailand Titans.
Foul out na si number 1. Number 9 loses it again, pero ando na naman si number 3. Bam! Grabe, shooter na ito. Number 3 na to. 4-point game lang ito. 82-78. Bam!
And number 3, 3 and 3.
Grabe, si number 2. 82-81 is just a 1-point game. Lamang pa rin ang aces. Oscar. Ang ganda ng laban, mga master. Oscar, atake inside. Gets it and one. Para kay El Loco. 84-81. Looks for somebody. Eto na ngayon, Kuya Brian Heruela Lopez. Nagalit. Nagalit. Oscar takes the first shot. 87-81. It was a good fight para sa Aces itong third quarter. Denzel Wong nagsushooting na rito. Coach Denzel injured to eh. Shooting lang muna. Sayang yun, number 1 nila, na-foul out, 21 points pa naman siya. Siya pa rin top scorer nila rito. Kuya Brian Heruela. They give it up back to Kuya Brian. Kuya Brian looking for someone to pass to. They give it up. Oh, there was Corey to clean that up. Number 2, dancing Oscar. Oscar Lopez defending number 2. Great defense there. But napunta na naman sa Thailand. Oh, turns around. Yes, 4-2. Para 12 seconds to shoot. Oscar gives it up to Manigot. Back to Oscar. Bump. Banayad play. Ginawa ron ni Oscar Lopez. Number 2. Gives it up to number 7. They're gonna reset this. Gives it to number 3. Will take a floater. Oh, that's too high of a pass. Naagawan siya ni Kuya Brian Heruela ron. And here we go, Jax. Oh, for the... Was that a pass? Mismatch there. Oh, pero huli ka ron. And here we go, Jax. Is gaining their momentum here in the fourth quarter. Oscar na naman nagdadala rito. Oscar with that quick cross, turns around. Oscar looking for someone to pass. So nakita si Jackson sa corner pero si Corey nasa loob. Oscar with a floater. Yes, for 2. Ito na naman number 4. Sobrang shooter na ito. Stops and pop. Grabe naman yun. Napaka-shooter no ni number 4. Oscar Lopez attacking inside. Finds Kuya Brian. No good. Tips in. Rebound niya ni Jax. Oh! What a power move by Jax Cove. Number 3. Oh, ang ganda na. Ang ganda ng hilot. Para great play. Tuwan-tuwa ron yung Thailand sa play na yon. Oh, eto na naman yung shooter nila. Grabe! Grabe, Splash Brothers nila. Number 3 at number 4. Dikit na, 99, 96, tatlo. Eto na naman, Corey versus their big man. Number 9, splits the defender. Finds number 7. Ang ganda ng bigayan doon. 101-98 ating score. Kuya Brian finds Gayosa. Oscar na naman, paatakihin nila ron. Nahanap si Jackson. Rebound niya ni Oscar El Loco. Woo! Gayosa. Gayosa na agawan ni Gayosa. Gayosa, eto na. Leia with a easy two. Number 9, titira ng 3. Bang! Grabe yun. 105, 101, 3 minutes to go. Apat lang. Ang ganda na ng laban. Corey will attack the big man. Reverses. No. Who's ball rep? Number 8 again. They gonna give it to number 4. Place a defender over Gayosa. Number 7 ang haba nun. And he will get a 2 points. 105, 103 ang ating score. Dalawa na lang. And Corey, he got the foul there and will take 2 free throws. Number 10, Corey, takes the first one. Oh, he missed it. Corey again, the second shot is good. It's just a 3-point lead, 106-103. The big guy, oh! The Twin Towers of Thailand. 5 ang kalamangan ng Aces, isa lang. Oscar, maagawan and he was fouled. Nag-timeout dito si Coach Denzel. Ang ganda ng laban dito, 106, 105. Gayosa finds Kuya Brian. Oscar attacks, no good. And it's gonna be the ball of Thailand. Number 4 finds this guy, will take a 3. Oh! Number 9 with the 3 points and lamang na ng 2 puntos ang Thailand. Oscar. Corey. Eto na, Corey will attack. Natabigan siya na, pero Oscar is there. And Oscar will take 2 free throws. Oscar takes the first free throw. Yes, for 1. Oscar will get the second try. Oh no, he did not get it, but Team Aces recovers it. Corey sets it back. Jackson gives it up. Gayosa steps back, fakes. Oh! Naagaw pa rin niya ng Aces and Corey will lay it in. And eto na, 109-108, isa ang kalamangan ng Aces. Number 5 will take a 3, no good. Sumugal sila sa 3 doon. Gayosa, short stab, no good. Oh no, this is bad. They should have just run the clock here. And it's gonna be Aces ball. And it's a 109-108, 1 point lang ang lamang ng Aces. 37 seconds remaining. Isa lang ang kalamangan ng Aces. They're looking to extend this one. Corey again inside. Titira. No go. Rebound niya ni Jax with a power move. And Jax is gonna take a crucial 2 free throws. Jackson needs to make both of this. Oh, he gets the first one. Jax for the second throw. Oh no, it's not good. Now they need to defend the 3-point line here. Kailangan depensahan yung 3 points dito. Kung hindi, may just pa. Kinukulit siya ni Quinton. Is gonna be offensive foul. Oh, normal foul.
Foul by number 9.
Oh, I told you, it's gonna be an offensive foul. Tinulak siya ron eh. I-review pa, mini-make sure pa rito ng mga referees. Hindi pa pala penalty. And they quickly foul Oscar. 110-108.
Shooting 2.
9 seconds. Getting on his mind. Everybody is quiet dito sa free throw ni Oscar. Gets the first one. Oscar gets the crucial free throw. Eto na, number 2. Patitirahin na lang nila to. Sige, tumira ka ng 3. Rebound niya ni Cory and Aces will win this one. Titignan natin kung makikipag-appear ba to ang number 1. Inaasar sila kanina.